The first thing that I hear every morning is Taiwan itself. It hums, it moves, it speaks. Every place has a sound, and this is Taiwan's. In my classroom, learning isn't just seen, it is heard. Good morning, everyone! Okay, so today we are going to talk. What? Again, can you please listen to him? What? Taipei 101. Very good. Any other travel destinations in Taiwan?
We are the best. Hey! Oh! Sorry!
Goodbye and thank you, 801. Taiwan speaks in many ways. Their night markets, their music, their tradition. Now close your eyes and enjoy the sound of their culture. Taiwan is more than a place. It's an experience. From trying new food with friends, experiencing festivals, to exploring its beautiful landscapes. Every moment feels like a story waiting to be told. Every day in Taiwan is a lesson. In the classroom, I teach, but I also listen. Outside the school, Taiwan continues to teach me. Living here isn't just about working. It's about learning to pause, to listen, and to belong. And at the end of the day, Taiwan leaves me with one sound, the sound of gratitude. In every share, in every moment that becomes a memory, Taiwan speaks. And for as long as I'm here, I'll keep listening.